Hi everyone, today is day 6 of my 150 days DSA. This morning I went to the temple just to slow down a bit and clear my head. Then I came back and continued recursion practice. Solved a few problems, not rushing, just focusing on understanding the pattern behind them. In the afternoon, I did something different. Instead of just solving, I tried explaining the code out loud because solving a problem is one thing, but explaining it clearly means you actually understand it. So I recorded one full recursion problem and broke down the logic step by step. Today was about quantity, and explaining a problem step by step is not an easy thing. I took 2 attempts to explain this simple problem. So today was about clarity. So I'm going to explain a easy recursion problem, that is printing name n times using recursion. Okay, so as I'm learning the topic recursion, so I'm going to explain a problem related to recursion only. So in order to print a name n times, first we will see the main function. We will go into the main function. In Java we have to write the complete thing, public static void main. In short, I'm writing it as main. In the main function, first we have to take the input from the integer by using the scanner. So we will take the input from the integer and then we will call the function. Let the function name be print. I'll take the value from 1 to n, right? So this is the n value which we are taking from the user. Now this print function will be called. So let's define the print function. The print function, let it be void print. Like in Java, while writing the code, we have to write public static void print, and it will be I comma n. So after entering into the function, first we have to check the base condition, that is if I is greater than n. If the value of I is greater than n, we have to return back. Okay. Next, if it is less than n, what we have to do? We have to enter into the else block, and in the else block, we are going to print our name, whatever the name which you want. After printing the name, we have to call the function again, but this time the function will start from I plus 1 to n. That's it. So now let's trace this function. So when we run the code, the main function will be executed first. After executing, the n value will be taken. Let us consider let n is equals to 3. So now it will call this function, that is 1 comma 3, right? So this function, when it is called, it will go over here. So here this becomes 1 comma 3, right? So now is 1 greater than n? No, it is false. So if block will not be executed, we'll go into the else block, and here first thing, the output is, after entering into the else block, output the name will be printed, and then this function will be executed, that is I plus 1. So here the I value is 1, so we will get 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 comma n, so 2 comma 3. So first I comma 3 will be executed. Next I comma 3 will call 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3, 2 is less than 3, right? So now it will enter into the else block, and it will print the name again. After printing the name, it will call the function I plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is going to call 3 comma 3. Next this function will call 4 comma 3. But here the condition is right, 4 is greater than 3. Hence it will enter into the if block and it will return. So it will return back and it will print the name. It will return back, it will return back. So in this way the recursion works. Coming to the time complexity. Time complexity of this thing is big O of n, because this if block, this condition is executed n times, and the space complexity is also big O of n, because in the stack space, first this is stored, next this one is stored, next this one is stored, based on the n value.